Welcome back to the lesson. I'm sorry I had to break this video into two because there was power outage. So let's continue. All right, example 2. A container in the shape of a cube is used to store a liquid. One edge of the liquid is 25 centimeters long. The depth of the liquid in the container is 15 centimeters as shown in the diagram below. A. Calculate the volume of liquid in the container. B. Calculate the volume of liquid of the container not filled with liquid. Okay, so here is the diagram. To illustrate the illustration of the question in diagram. This is the container 25 by 25, and it is the volume of liquid in the container is not the one's not filled. The depth of liquid in the container is 15 centimeters. All right, so that means the part of the liquid or the container filled with water is 10 centimeters. Since it's a cube, it's supposed to be 25 by 25 by 25. So the height, if from this point to this point is 15, it means from here to here is 10. You understand? Because 10 plus 15 is 25 centimeters. All right, so it's 10 centimeters. The height of water in the liquid in the container is 10 centimeters. Solution. Base area of the container equals 25 by 25, which is 625 centimeters squared. That's the base area. The depth of liquid in the container is 15 centimeters. The volume of liquid in the container is 625 by 25, which is equal to 9,375 centimeters cube. The volume of the cube is S cube, which is 25 by 25 by 25, and that is 15,625 cube. Volume of container not filled with liquid excuse me, is equal to the volume of the container minus the volume of liquid in the container. That is 6,250 centimeters cube. Very, very simple. So that will be all on cube, and now let's go to cuboids. A cuboid is also called a rectangular prism. It has length, width, or chord, which is also called breadth, and height, which is also called thickness. The volume of a cuboid is equal to length times breadth times height, which is equal to LBH. The volume of the above solid is, sorry, the solid is omitted. Let me quickly show you the solid, the shape, the diagram. Talked about the volume, but the diagram wasn't there. I'm so sorry about that. It was an omission. All right. Oh, this my pen is misbehaving seriously. Let me clean and start over again. Let's see how it goes. All right. With my pencil, okay. Let me give you the sketch of the diagram that we're referring to. All right. So here is a cuboid. Here's a cuboid. So the cuboid has height 6 centimeters and length 4 and breadth 2. So this is the cuboid that was solved, problem solved here. So the volume of the shape, this solid shape, is 6 times 4 by 2, that is 48 centimeters cube. Note, in the above formula, length and breadth is equal to the area, where A represents the base area of the cuboid. Can you see that? The base area of the cuboid. Hence, the volume of a cuboid is equal to base area times height. That is the area of any face times thickness of the face. Okay? Work examples. A box has a square base of side 9 centimeters. Calculate the volume of the box if it is 10 centimeters deep. Solution. The volume of the box is equal to the area of square base times the depth of the box. That is, and the area of the square base is 9 times 9, which is equal to 81 centimeters squared. Therefore, the volume of the box, which is given by the area of the base, the square base times the depth, is 81 times 10, which is 810 centimeters cubed. Example 2. A cuboid is 12 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide as shown in the diagram below. If the volume of the cuboid is 624 centimeters cubed, find the height of the cuboid. So here is the diagram. We are supposed to calculate the height. Okay? All right. Solution. The volume is equal to length times width times height, which is equal to LWH equals, that is LWH equal to V. Substituting for V, L, and W, we have this 12 times 8 times height equals 624. 12 times 8 is 996 times H equals 624. Dividing both sides by 96. So you divide here by 96 and divide the right side also by 96. We have the equation below. So H is equal to 624 by 96, and that is equal to 6.5 centimeters. Hence, the height of the cuboid is 6.5 centimeters. So here is another class, or the first class activity. You are meant to pause this video, attempt these questions, and post it exactly the way I thought you had to send your solutions privately. So this time around, it's not going to be posted on the stream. When you post your solutions, it is only me, your teacher, or your teachers, and yourself that will have access to your answers, no other person. Please follow the instruction and follow the explanation, how I explained before seeing this video. The first thing I did this morning before sharing this video is do that in submitting this class activity. So attempt these questions 1 to 4. Solve it in your handwriting inside your exercise notebook. Snap it neatly. Make sure your name is written boldly on every pages of your solutions and upload privately, right, to submit. So I'm going to create a post where you submit this class activity. And this is going to be an assignment. You attempt this assignment against next class. You see a post where you submit your assignments. All right, find the values of the cuboids to solve all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 questions in all. Solve for the volumes of each of the cuboid and submit. All right, so you also have practice questions here. You also do this with the cuboid, with the, what do you call it now? Assignments. Now, each of these cuboids have the same volume. Now, try to find the missing length. So, in this particular shape, there is no length missing. The second, first, no length missing. Second, there is the height, A, find the height. B, third, there is the height. D, find the height. The fourth, there is the breadth. B, solve for the breadth. And fifth, there is the also breadth. C, solve for it. So put in your answers in this box. And finally, find the missing length also. Find X, solve for X, and solve for X. Until we meet again in our next class, I say well done and keep learning. God bless you all. Have a nice day.